Hello, everyone. Wonderful evening to you once again. This is Noah Bitcoin from behalf of eBItcoinics.com, and just right here in the eBItcoinics office in Ghana, Kumasi, precisely. And as we've been doing, we've been trying as much as we can to be assisting you and also to help you learn more about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And today, we want to use this as an opportunity to educate most of you, the newbies, to how to actually set up your own Bitcoin wallet. And this is actually going to be a very fast and a very short video precisely, so that you will know the types of wallets we have and some of the wallets you can use and what you need to do with those wallets and how to actually protect your wallet and become 100% your own bank thanks to Bitcoin blockchain and the cryptocurrency evolution. So guys, actually we have different types of wallets, and we have the software wallet, we have the web or the hot online wallet. You know, the software wallets are actually wallets you can just simply install it on your phone. For example, if you are using an iOS, you can just go to maybe the App Store, and we will recommend some of the wallets to actually use. Or maybe basically you are using an Android operating system, maybe an Android operating system. You also have a wallet that you can install. What happens is, once you have these wallets on your devices or your mobile, it actually creates a database and also, let's say, a primary server that contains your wallet information, everything that has to do with your wallet, your important credentials. And this device becomes your bank, thanks to the blockchain technology. So guys, we are going to have a look at some of the best software wallets you can use, and you would actually visit their website on this webinar. So let's just go to Google. I think Google is very important to all of us because that is where we get access to much of the information that we need. So some of the Bitcoin software wallets include, I'm actually going to recommend just 3 types of software wallets so that we can be very fast with this webinar. And also we have a look at some of the web or the online wallets. And after that, we can also have a look at some of the hardware wallets and where you can actually get some of these wallets and stuff like that. So the software wallets we're actually going to recommend on this video or on this training is actually, we would consider Coinomi wallet, which is the first multi-purpose wallet we would recommend. Multi-purpose as in the sense that you can actually have more than Bitcoin running on this same wallet. You can keep Bitcoin on this wallet, you can keep Ethereum, you can keep Dash, you can keep any, some of the best cryptocurrencies as well, and as well as the Ethereum smart tokens and stuff like that. So guys, that's one of those things. And then let's have a look at Mycelium, so that those of you, Coinomi wallet. First of all, we just have a look at Coinomi wallet. I am very sure they are working on the web, or let me say a desktop PC wallet, whereby you can install it on your Windows or your Mac, of which I know they are busy working on it. And as well, currently, you can only use an Android device for this wallet. Yes, you can use Android for this wallet, as you have to install it on your Android operating system or your Android device, your mobile phone, whether you are running Android on your PC, whatever, it runs only on Android. And when you check on their updates and their projects, their progresses and all that, they are actually making us understand that they are busy working on their iOS platform for Mac and the Apple users and stuff like that. But now you can only use it on your Android platform. And very soon you can install it on your desktop, your PC, and whatever that has to do with. So those that actually want to actually know about Coinomi, you can just visit their website, coinomi.com, okay? And this, you can see the Apple band is actually shown with coming soon. And over here too, you can see it's actually available on the Google Android app and Play Store. And it's very secure. This is actually a multi-coin and multi-asset wallet. You can keep more than one coin. Guys, this is so amazing. See, you can keep Bitcoin, you can keep Ethereum, you can keep Asia coin, you can keep any coin you can find out there on CoinMarketCap that is so much interesting and is having a very good future. You can keep Bitcoin Gold, and as well as Bitcoin Cash and Dogecoin and any coin, you know, any coin that is actually applicable. So currently you can just run it on your Android operating platform or Android device or whatever. And very soon, actually, they are going to list out their desktop and their Apple products and stuff like that. So guys, this is Coinomi. So those that are actually using Android, you would want to actually visit your Play Store, your Google Play Store, and this is their logo. Guys, you need to be very careful. You have to pay much attention to some of these stuff because somebody will just write out a platform that looks like something like this, and you download it, and by the end of the day, you go find yourself in some trouble. You lose your funds, you lose everything, you lose your wallet, and it's gone. So you have to be very sure you are doing the right thing and make sure you download the one. So you just pay attention. If you are watching this, you just need to pay attention to the logo you can see on my screen or on this webinar, and you just make sure you are downloading just the right thing. Now, this is for Android users. The next wallet, this next software wallet we would recommend is called Mycelium. Now, guys, for Mycelium, I am recommending Mycelium because it's also very safe, but actually for currently, it's not a multi-purpose wallet, okay? Currently, it is just a software wallet you can actually keep Bitcoin with, but you can't keep any other coin other than Bitcoin. You know, it's just for Bitcoin. It's strictly for Bitcoin. And this, you can run it on the Android operating platform as well as the Apple operating platform. So Apple users, you can have Mycelium. Let me see, I think I have Mycelium on my phone over here. You can see this is Mycelium, and this is it. It's working so fine on my device over here. This is actually Apple, and it's also running on Android, which I know I don't have it here, but I'm very positive I have Coinomi on this Apple platform, and it's actually trying to open. And let me see, this is it. You can see Coinomi over here, right here on this Apple Android operating system and all that. And guys, this is let me show you something over here. This is Coinomi on the Android platform, and it's for more than one coin and all that. So Apple users, I know you cannot use Coinomi right now for multi-purposing and all that, but I would also, at the end of this webinar, recommend to you some of the best multi-wallet platforms you can use online so that you also adjust to the Apple, just like the Android users are having, and you wouldn't have to purchase 2 devices using at the same time. You know, there's always an option. So guys, those that are actually using iOS, I think this is the best one for you to use for now. And it's a software wallet, Coinomi. No, Mycelium is a software wallet you can run on your Apple platform, as well as you can also have it on your Android platform at the same time. And the next one we are also going to recommend. Well, first of all, let's just go back to Mycelium. You see, we visited Coinomi's website, so we have to also visit Mycelium. Let's see if they have any website and anything you can you can find. Anything, we just move back to the room because that's where we get all the information. And over here you can see wallet.mycelium.com, or you go to mycelium.com and you can actually have access to almost all the information they need you to know. This is the website for Mycelium, and you can just, anything that you need to know about this wallet, you can actually get to know about it. You know, this is so cool, guys. This is so amazing, and it's actually making and simplifying the use case for Bitcoin. When you have this wallet, you literally become your own bank, and you can have access to any sort of financial benefits you need to do that has to do with Bitcoin. So now you visit their wallet website. Let's just open up the wallet website. Basically, those that would want to actually download the wallet, the default Bitcoin wallet over here, that's why you can see, expect a massive upgrade and also a massive security. Guys, this is so amazing, and we need to pay some very good attention to this. And this works on buyer platform, that is the Android, the iOS platform. But we are recommending this because so that we can have the webinar or the trading balance, because a whole lot of people are using the Android operating system. A whole lot of people also love to use the Apple operating system. This is what we also recommend to you right now. And the third one also we are going to recommend is actually Core Pay wallet. Core Pay is also a multi sync wallet system whereby you can have it running on your. First of all, let me just quickly let's just go to their website. I think that's the most important thing. Let's go to Google over here, my friend. Yes, google.com. It opens up, and then we go to call pay. I hope you are paying some very good attention. Sorry, guys, I just typed this wrongly. So let's just search for call pay wallet. Yes, guys, this is it. You have to always make sure you are paying at some good attention to the wallet, their logos, and everything that has to do with what would make you feel that you are doing the right thing. You understand, guys? So you have to pay some good attention so that you don't download the wrong software. Now, guys, with Copy, you can actually run Copy on virtually on Chrome as a web store, like a web extension. Okay, you can have it running on Chrome, the Google apps, as well as you can have it on your Android platform. You can also run it on your Apple platform, and I'm very positive they are almost done, or they have a platform whereby you can run it directly on your PC. Now, let's visit their website to get to see how secure and how true this could be. Actually, Copay is also a secure shared Bitcoin wallet, secure Bitcoin with the open source HD multi-signature wallet from BitPay. Actually, BitPay are those that behind this wallet, and it's actually very secure. All that you need to do is just to download it. It creates all the necessary database it needs to create for you on your device, and boom, guys, you become your own bank with Bitcoin. This is so amazing. You don't need to walk into any financial institution. You don't need to go fill any forms. You don't need to pass through any stressful protocols. You just become your own bank literally with Bitcoin. And thanks to some of these amazing wallets, it makes it much more easier for you to actually start. So over here you can see on Copay we have, they are saying about them is Copay is actually a true Bitcoin wallet, not a non-account service. You can secure your personal funds with multiple signatures or just one. Take security into your own hands and avoid trusting third parties with your savings. Actually, this is very important. So when we are recommending wallets, first of all, we love to recommend a software wallet because a lot of people cannot afford a hardware wallet. And the next to hardware wallets in terms of security is the software wallet. So basically, that's some of the things you need to consider. And now that we're done with the software wallet, at least we know we've heard about Coinomi, we've heard about Mycelium, we also have heard about Copay. Coinomi is just for Android now currently, but they are working on the Apple operating system as well. And Mycelium is also both Android and iOS, but iOS users, you would love using Mycelium at all. You would love it. And also the Copay is also a multi-purpose platform, both Android and also you can see even they have the iOS link, you have the Windows Phone, you can use it on the Chrome, you know, an extension of Chrome, you don't need to even download anything. Those that are Chrome lovers and all that and stuff like that. So guys, this is just so amazing. Now, let's have a look at the next section, which is the hardware wallet. Guys, we have lots and lots of types of wallets. We have the paper wallet, we have the software wallet, we have a hardware wallet, and we have the web or the hot online wallet. That is where you can just access it fully online and stuff like that. But I don't talk about the paper wallet because I don't even have one. I can't lie to you, I don't have a paper wallet. I don't be very comfortable using a paper wallet because of one or two reasons. So I have to recommend to you what I love using. You understand? The next one we are actually going to have a look at is the hardware wallet. And the hardware wallet, I am only going to recommend just two wallets. The Trezor wallet and the Ledger Nano wallet. All right, these are just the two wallets I'm actually going to recommend to you guys. And what you need to do is just buy this wallet. You buy it, it's just like a flash drive, maybe a small device like something like this, a mini phone, or maybe like a USB, you know, stuff, something like a drive, something like very tiny like this. You just walk with it, and this is like walking around with the central bank of your country in your pocket. Seriously, guys. And it's very cheap. It's not expensive. You can buy it for as cheap as $100, $150 US, $80, depending on where you are buying from, where you are, and the shipping costs and stuff like that. And when you have this hardware wallet, it's just like walking around with a bank in your pocket. Now let's go to our Google. Let's see. No, this one we go in Google because we have their website already. So we just visit Ledger. We go to Ledger. In the Ledger wallet. Sorry, ledgerwallet.com. And then we go to the next one, which is the Trezor.io. This is it. This is actually, it's an interesting hardware wallet, easy to use, easy to manage, and it creates your private key, your private key for you, and it's so very much interesting. Okay, guys, if you are in Ghana, Nigeria, or anywhere neighboring, then you want to actually, maybe you don't want to pass through these websites to buy the wallet really from them, and you need assistance, you can visit our own website, eBItcoinics.com. All right, you go to shop. Let me just show you around, guys. You go to shop, you click on hardware wallet, and over here you can buy either the Trezor or the Ledger Nano wallet. You can buy either the Trezor or the Ledger Nano wallet, and this is how much we sell it over here for the Trezor because of the shipping fee, the shipping charges, and stuff like that. And the Ledger Nano, I think this is it. This is also the Ledger Nano. If you are in Ghana, you can just buy it already. But even that's even not the point. This is actually a wallet that gives you access to everything. You become your own bank. It's just like, as I said, walking around in the central bank of your country in your pocket. It's so easy to use, easy to access. There are a lot of videos on YouTube that can guide you how to set it up. You have manuals that can help you after buying or after purchasing to assist you get started with the wallet. You understand? And also when you visit Trezor, this is also the website for Trezor wallet, and this is how the wallet looks like. All that you need to do is just to buy one and you become your own bank. And this also is being supported on the Apple, Windows, Android, and as well as the Linux operating system. So guys, these are some of the ways that you can go get your copy of the hardware wallet. You just buy, set it up, and you get going. And the last aspect of this video, which has to do with the web or the online wallet, we are going to actually recommend just 3 websites. Okay, we are going to recommend just 3 websites. And after the 3 websites, the first one we are going to recommend is blockchain.info. I am not going to set up an account over here. I'm just going to show you around so that when you are ready to actually make a choice for how to get started, you choose any wallet you want. But I ain't gonna do anything. I ain't gonna set up anything. I'm just introducing you to the subject and then you do it yourself. Right, so now, as for blockchain, it's actually a web wallet. They have a software feature you can download on your phone, any device at all, Android, Apple, whatever, you can just install it. You set up your wallet, you synchronize your wallet, sync it together with the web interface, and you can have access to it on your device. And the moment you visit blockchain.info, you go to their wallet. You go to blockchain.info, you click on wallet, and it will give you options, whether you want to log in or you want to sign up. Guys, it's up to you. If you want to use it, you just get started. You sign up. After you sign up, you make sure you detail out your information correctly. You write down your private keys and make sure you protect every bit of data you give out, because you are your own bank. It is your responsibility to actually make sure you protect your assets and your funds. And it's an easy to use platform. It's an easy to use interface, and it's actually simple, seamless, and very secure. Just like you have to make sure you protect your funds, you set up extra security layers like the 2FA, use it to support it, and make sure your emails and your phones, whether you are using SMS, alert, everything, are all secure. This is actually your responsibility. The next web wallet we are going to recommend is actually Coinbase.com. And before I forget, with blockchain, you can keep Bitcoin, Ethereum, and as well as Bitcoin Cash. And I'm sure you are working on adding a whole lot of cryptocurrencies together so that you can keep more than one digital currency or digital asset over there. For now, they are giving just 3, which we have the Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and as well as Ethereum. Now, you go to Coinbase.com. Sorry, guys. You go into Coinbase. Coinbase.com. This is also an easy to use wallet. You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to give out any dangerous layer or whatever that is going to scare you. This, with Coinbase, all that you need is your email address. You set up your password. You can have access to your Bitcoin wallet and stuff like that. Just get going. All that you need to do is just, once you visit Coinbase.com, you go to sign up, and boom, guys, papa, you just go in. You just, whether you want to use it as an individual or you want to use it as a business, you choose how you want to get started. Already, if you have an account, you just, once you visit the website, Coinbase.com, you click on sign in and you follow with whatever way you want to actually do. And also, you can also make sure, you should also make sure you have 2FA set up, you have security layer set up, and everything that has to do with stuff that are actually going to protect your funds and your wallet. And then also, the last web wallet we are actually going to recommend, I don't know, they're a whole lot, but I already know which we actually recommend. And before I forget, blockchain Coinbase, you can also download their software on your phone. You just synchronize it, you get started with it, and then boom, you have your own wallet. And with this, we say you've successfully become your own bank thanks to Bitcoin and the blockchain technology. And guys, if you want to load your wallet, some of these websites can assist you. Or if you just can buy Bitcoins from your friends, or maybe you can just visit our website, eBItcoinics.com, and then you just get started. Those that are in Ghana, Nigeria, India, Philippines, Singapore, Australia, and even the United States. That is if you have ways to remit funds out of your country. The third web wallet we are actually going to recommend is Zappo. Let's visit their website. Zappo is actually XAP, X for xylophone, APO. So Zappo.com. You visit their website. Let's wait for it to load up. Let's see how it's going to go. It's also simple to use like Coinbase. All I need to do is actually go to sign up over here. You go to sign up. You make sure you sign up so well. You don't miss any data. You don't miss any information. You can download their software or the application on your phone, whether Android, Apple, whatever. When you are signing up, they recommend you first type your cell phone number. And that starts with the country code. So maybe I am in Ghana. I type plus, or the +233. If you're in Nigeria, 234. If you're in the US, +17 +16. Anywhere at all you find yourself, you just think these are platforms you can use regardless of where you are, where you find yourself. You can use it any day, anytime, and anywhere. So guys, it's amazing. This is actually just a short training to help you get started with you setting up a wallet, you becoming your own bank with Bitcoin. That is what we're preaching, and also let you know that it's very easy to actually get involved with Bitcoin. Now I just leave you over here. Follow us on Twitter for more trainings like this. You can just follow us at eBItcoinics, and also on Facebook, eBItcoinics, or you visit our website, www.ebitcoinics.com. You follow us on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, and let's do more of this. Thank you guys. Enjoy your evening. Bye-bye.